You've probably heard the tech giants bragging about numbers. Our new model has 7 billion parameters. Well, ours has 400 billion. But what on earth is a parameter? And why does having more of them make an AI smarter? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are decoding the DNA of generative AI. We are talking about parameters. Think of parameters as the brain cells, or synapses, of the AI. In a human brain, knowledge is stored in the connections between neurons. In an AI, knowledge is stored in parameters. Here is the best way to visualize it. Imagine a giant sound mixing board with millions of tiny knobs. These knobs are the parameters. When the AI is first born, all these knobs are set to random positions. It doesn't know anything. It's just static noise. Then comes the training phase. We show the AI a picture of a cat. The AI guesses dog. It's wrong. So, the math behind the scenes automatically reaches in and tweaks those knobs, adjusting the parameters, until the output gets closer to cat. Now, multiply that by 1 trillion times. The AI reads the entire internet. Every time it learns a new pattern, like Paris is the capital of France, or 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, it is fine-tuning those parameters. Once the training is done, those knobs are locked in place. That specific configuration of parameters is the model. So, when you ask, write me a poem, the data runs through those billions of set parameters, and out pops a poem. So why does size matter? A model with 7 billion parameters is like a mixing board with fewer knobs. It can play simple tunes. A model with 1 trillion parameters has enough knobs to capture tiny nuances, complex logic, and deep creativity. I hope that clears up the buzzwords. If you want to learn more about how we actually train these parameters, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple AI explanations. See you next time.